I really believe with the right people and the right systems, hindi enough yung right people and the right systems, we can actually solve the problem of corruption. No, that's why apart from voting good people who don't have a track record of stealing, you also have to push the right systems para we have transparency so people can see where people's money goes, no? So, unang-una, wag mong nanakawan yung taong bayan. Pangalawa, kumuha ka ng mga batas, hindi lang sumusuporta sa ilang grupo lang. Wag lang yung ilang kumpanya lang o ilang pamilya lang. Gumawa ka ng mga batas na tumutulong talaga sa pangkaramihan. Okay, so for example, our free college law, we passed that in 2017. Ayaw na ayaw yan na marami sa mga experts really said, hindi maganda yung free college law. Okay. At that time, you had three cabinet secretaries who were against passing the free college law. You had a number of policy experts saying, uh, wag niyong gagawin yan. Sayang lang yung pera niyo dyan. Di ba? Pero yung opisina namin, as I said, we would do consultations all over the Philippines. And yung laging binabanggit ng mga nanay at tatay sa amin was, Sen, ang pangarap namin, meron kaming isang anak na makagraduate. Kahit isa lang sa anak namin makagraduate, okay na kami. Pero kahit yan, kahit yung pangarap na hirap kami. Now, we knew it was important to so many Filipino families. We also did the math. Na-compute rin namin kung magkano. Government was already subsidizing public education up to 80%. Konti na lang yung kailangan niyang i-subsidize. And yet, yung konti na lang na yan made so many Filipinos, kumbaga ginawang napakahirap for so many Filipinos yung makagraduate. Kasi ang taas ng dropout rate natin. So ever since we passed that law, our dropout rate went from, our finishing rate went from 25%, meaning 1 out of 4 lang nakakapagtapos. Now it's at 70% na yung nakakapagtapos. So clearly, nakatulong tong batas na ito. But we had to really listen to where people were, ano yung hinahanap nila, ano yung gusto nila. And again, sometimes the experts, the big people, smart people, hindi nila nakikita na mahalaga to sa tao. We also knew that kung makapagtapos ka, your opportunity to have a better life is closer to reality, 'di ba? So, yan, that's something that we wanted to do kasi alam namin makakatulong yan sa tao. So, yun ang hinahanap ng tao. Huwag kaming nakawan, makatulong sa aming totoong buhay